Welcome friends, in this session we are going to see the fourth program of Statistical Machine Learning for DS 7th semester. So question is, you want to estimate the mean salary of the software engineers in a country. You take 10 different random samples, each containing the 50 engineers, and calculate the sample mean for each. Plot the distribution of these sample means. How does the central limit theorem explain the shape of this sampling distribution even if the underlying salary distribution is skewed? So let's refer to the VTU circles, program number 4. So this is the program 4. Here we are using NumPy and Matplotlib. You can verify your Matplotlib is installed or not using the command prompt. Just click pip install NumPy, enter. Then again pip install matplotlib. Okay, I have already installed. So I'm just closing it and just copy this and then go for ideally. Sorry. Okay. Just click for IDLE and here new file. I just need to copy once again this and just paste it here using Control+V, Control+S to save. SML 4. This is the fourth program. Save and click on run button. Run module. See, this is the distribution of the sample graph as shown here below in VTU Circles website. Okay, and these are the output. See here, this is the output. So you can see the program as well as the output. If you face any of the error in this program, you can comment out. I will be reaching you. Thank you for watching.